Good morning, children. So let me tell you how to open MS Word first. So in order to open MS Word, you need to click on this search box or search bar. You just click here and type Word, W-O-R-D, Word. And among the suggestions, you can see Word 2016. Simply click on that one and click on this blank document. So this is the first way to open MS Word, or else you can press the window key plus R key. Window key plus R key, it allows you to open run command. There you have to type WinWord. What you have to type? You have to type WinWord, W-I-N-W-O-R-D, WinWord, and you are not supposed to give any space between Win and Word. WinWord is a single word. Enter. So this is second way, or else you just right click here, go to New and select Microsoft Word document. I repeat, right click on the free space of the desktop, and there you can select New, and there you can select this Microsoft Word document. Here you need to specify a file name, and I'm giving some name like Samskar. Enter. Twice you need to press the enter key. Okay, or else you can go to the Start, All, and then you can navigate to Microsoft Office 2016, and there you can select Word 2016. So these are the different ways which we can use to open this MS Word. Okay, so just simply click on this search and type Word, W-O-R-D, Word. Among the suggestions, just click on Word 2016. Doesn't matter, you just 2016 or 2022 or 2013, doesn't matter. Forget about the version. Just click on this Word, blank document. So in order to make it zoom, at the bottom right corner here you can see 140% zoom is there. I'm making it even more, 150, 160, 170, 180, 210. I made it 210. I made it 210. Next. So first let me enter a name and let me change the font color, font size, font style. Different options are there. How we can do it? Let us learn. So let me enter a name like Samskar. The letters are very small. It is not visible to you. That's why I'm just selecting it. How can we select it? You have to left click the left mouse button. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag. I repeat, press and hold the left mouse button and drag so that you can select it. There is a shortcut, that is go to select and select all. Go to select and select all. This select option is available in the home tab, editing group. You can see select all. Like this also you can select. Okay, so click and drag to select. Now here you can change the font size. The maximum size is 72. The maximum size is 72. Selected it. Maximum size is 72. If you want to increase the size even more, you can click on this increase or grow font. Increase font. 80, 90, 100, like this you can increase the font size. Up to 1610 or something. Up to 1600 we can increase. I'm just giving 1650 here. It won't accept. 1638 is the maximum size. 1638. 1638. Enter. It accepted it, and I'm just reducing the zoom size now. See, SAMSKAR. Now I want to reduce the size. Select everything. Or else simply you can click on this select all. Just zooming it a little bit. Okay, and now I'm decreasing the size. Decreasing the size by 10. Or else a shortcut key is there. So actually there is a shortcut key. Let me try. But this video recording is going on. That's why I'm thinking it may affect the recording process. That's why I'm not using it. So like this you can decrease the font size. Okay, 200. Now I'm increasing the zoom. Okay, so like this we can increase and decrease. The least size is 8. 8 is the least size. Actually here in the list it is 8. Even we can make it 1 also. This is font size number 1. If you want to see this one, you have to make it zoom. If I make it 500% zoom, this is like this. So just why I'm selecting it, I'm just increasing the font size. Okay, and now I'm reducing the zoom. Don't get confused between the zoom and font size. Okay, I will make it a little bit bigger. Zoom 210%. Okay, fine. And the font size is 80. I'll make it 100. Samskar. Okay. This is how we can decrease or increase the font size. The minimum size is 1 and the maximum size we can make it is 1638. 1 to 1638 is the range. Now I'm just selecting the text and I want to change the font. Times New Roman. Times New Roman is a font where this is an official font. If you want to write any official letter, if you want to write any letter to this police department or municipality or any to anyone, any officials, if you want to write any letter, you have to use this Times New Roman font. Or Calibri is also acceptable, either Calibri or Times New Roman. And we have different fonts here, different fonts. You can choose any of the fonts, which one you want. You can just apply it. This one is good, looks good. Okay, now this changing font is over. Changing the font size, increasing font, decreasing font. Now let us make it bold. Bold means thick letters, thick, bold. Normal, bold. And italics, curved letters, curved. See, slant letters, slant. Normal, curved, normal. Underline, you can apply an underline also. Okay, even if you want to change the font color, select it. See, can you see this red color? Just click here. Now then the color has changed to red. Other than red, can we apply any other color, sir? Yes, we can. Can you see a small dot here? You just click on the small dot and you can choose any color, literally any color. This one is good. Okay, like this we can change the font color. And see, now I want to remove this underline. Just select it and just click here so that the underline can be removed. And if you want to change the underline styles, just click on this small dot, underline. So we have different styles for this, different styles. See, this one is different. Okay, so like this we can change the underline styles also. Okay, now let me write a small text, that is H2O. H2O. Actually this H2O is the formula of water. Water can be called as H2O also. H2O means water, but it looks like H20. It doesn't look like H2O. In order to make it H2O, you must select it and we have to bring it down here, little down. In that case, we can use this option subscript. Now we can see it and read it as H2O, and this time removing this underline. What is this? H2O. I'm just changing the color also. H2O. So in order to bring this 2 down, we have to use this subscript option. Subscript. Okay. Let me write one more thing, that is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. I'm just a plus b whole square. But actually I want to write a plus b whole square, but it is appearing like a plus b into 2. A plus b into 2. This 2 should go upwards, like here it has to come. In such a case we can use superscript option. Superscript. Just selecting it, I'm just changing the font color. A plus b whole square. Can you see this red color design underline? Red color design underline. This red color design underline indicates spelling mistake. In such a case, right click on ignore all. Just right click on Ignore all. This is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. This is subscript. This is superscript. Okay. Next, let us see how to highlight some text. If you want to highlight some text, we need a paragraph to work. That's why I'm just using this select all option, and I'm just deleting the whole text. I'm just deleting the whole text. Now I'm just giving a command that is equals to rand left parenthesis right parenthesis. In order to it should be visible to each and every one of you. That's why I'm selecting it and I'm making it a little bit bigger. This is the formula. Right click, ignore all, ignore once, equals to rand left parenthesis right parenthesis. Just press enter key. Now we got 28 pages of matter, but I want to make it little smaller. That's why I'm just using select all. I'm just reducing the size. Okay, this is good. We have just written a single page. You can see it here, single page. All the 28 pages of matter, we reduced it to single size. Now let us highlight few things. In order to highlight few things, so you have to use this highlighter, text highlight color. And now simply what you have to do is, video provides a powerful way to point. Wherever you find some important points, you have to mark them. Okay, click insert and then choose elements of the different galleries. So this is the same way which we use to highlight some text in our books or textbooks, especially in textbooks. Okay, and if you want to change the highlighter color, you can choose. You can change it. You can highlight few points. This is highlighter. This is what? Highlighter. Okay. Next, this highlighter option is very next to this font color, very next to the font color option. Okay, I'm just making it zoom again, and now select all, delete. I have deleted it. Now let us learn about the borders and shading option. Borders and shading option. In order to use this borders and shading option, now again we need some text. That's why I'm giving equals to rand left parenthesis and right parenthesis. Enter. If you want borders for this text, then simply you can select the text and you can go to this borders and shading option. So this is borders option. Borders. You can choose any border, all border. I have given all border. So all the 5 individual paragraphs, they have a border. Or else Control Z. Or else you can choose any different other style. Only outside there is a border. No separation lines are there. No separation lines are there in between the paragraphs. So this is a different style. Or else you can choose a few more different things are there. So only bottom line is there, top line is there, left line, right line, no border at all borders, outside, inside horizontal. Inside horizontal is not available now. Like those different types of borders are there. Okay, let us go to borders and shading. And here you can choose borders. Even if you want page border, so this is the option. See, page border. Can you see page border option here? Middle one, page border. Go to box. You can apply different styles of borders here. Page border, complete. It will be applied to the whole page. I have selected it. Okay. See, can you see the whole page? The border is applied to the whole page. Or else, click here. Borders and shading, page border instead of box. Here we can see color also. You can change the color of the box, red, complete red. And even you can change the thickness also. Borders and shading, box, page border, box, borders and none, no. Page border, box. Here you can change the width also. 3 points is there. This is the highest, I think. Or else you can change it to art also, or to apples. We can apply an apple border, all apples only. If you are making a present Word document for pre-primary kids, and we are making a document about the benefits of having an apple every day. Benefits of having an apple every day. In such a case, you can apply this apple border. So it will be attractive. Okay. Again, go to this borders and shading option. Base border, box, instead of apple. So many things are there. Let us assume that Christmas is coming. This is October month, October 15th today. In December month we have Christmas. We have prepared a speech for Christmas, and we can apply this one, Xmas tree, as a border. We have different arts are there. Base border, box, art. So many things are there. You can apply whichever the one you want. And even if you want to increase the size also, you can increase. This is the maximum size for here. Okay, flowers border. And let us go to the shading option also. Borders and shading, border, space border, shading. We can give some shading effect to the text. Okay, this is shading. Or else you can remove this one also. Borders and shading, no color. Okay, this is all about borders and shading option. So again, I'm just selecting text to select all, delete. But the border, I'm just removing the border also. I'm just clicking on this, going to borders and shading, base border, none. Okay, no border. Now I'm making it a little bit zoom. So okay, now again I want to insert some text equals to rand, left parenthesis, right parenthesis, enter. We got some paragraphs. So by default, whatever the text you type or whatever the text you copy and paste, everything will be displayed in the left alignment. What is this? Left alignment. What do you mean by alignment? See, can you see this one? Every line is starting at the same point. Every line is starting at the same point, but not every line is ending at the same point. Why? Because this is left alignment. But if you want to end each and every line at the same point, you can select this one and you can make it right alignment. Now can you see, if you notice it, every line is ending at the same point. If you keep a scale here, every line is ending at the same point, but don't talk about the starting point. Okay, and then comes the center alignment. What is the use of center alignment? If you want to keep a heading, I'm just giving a heading here, heading like welcome to Samskar. It should be, this title should be in center. In most of the cases, in 99% of the cases, whatever the heading you give, it should be entered in the center. So that's why I'm making it center, and I'm making it little bigger also, and making it bold and underline also. Okay, welcome to Samskar. This is center alignment. This is right alignment. I will do one thing. The first line I will make it left align, the first paragraph. Second paragraph is right align, and the third paragraph is center align. Center, everything is center. So this much from left side and from right side, from both the sides it is equal distance. Okay, and then I will apply justify to this one. Justify, from both the sides they will be properly aligned. From both the sides, from this side and this side, from both the sides it is properly aligned in justify. While preparing letters, in most of the cases we will use this justify. I already told you, if you are preparing an official letter, you have to use Times New Roman font, or Caribbean font. And at the same time, in most of the cases, we'll use this alignment, that is justify alignment, while preparing these letters. So left align, right align, center align, and justified. We never use this right align. In very rare cases we will use this right align. In generally we use left align. For titles and headings we will use center align, and we can use this justify alignment also. Justify. Okay, so these are the different things. Let me take another page, and I want to make it clear. So that's why I'm writing this name Samskar. samskar, samskar, samskar. So first one I want to make it left align. Already it is in left align. Second one right align. It is appearing here. Third one center align in the center. The last one is justify. Justify. Now both left align and justify look very similar, but there is a difference. What is the difference? Here you can see the difference. So I will make all the remaining things as left align. See, if we apply left align, I'm just drawing a line here. Okay, so these three paragraphs are left aligned, which means the starting position is each and every line started at the same position, but the ending is not clear. Ending, this line ended here, this line ended here, this line ended here. When it comes to justify, everything except forget about this line. Why? Because the enough sentence is not there. That's why this is the last line. Forget about the last line. I'm just moving this one here. Okay, now see every line starting at the same position and ending at the same position, this is justify. This is what? Justify. Okay, and then I'm just closing this one also. Select all, delete, and we have one more option, that is bullets and numbering option. Bullets and numbering option. In what type of cases we use this bullets and numbering? Let us assume that you want to say your educational qualification, educational qualification, or else we can say you want to write the names of the states names. States in Andhra Pradesh. I'm just writing states in Andhra Pradesh. States in Andhra Pradesh, not districts in Andhra Pradesh. Sorry, districts in Andhra Pradesh. Districts in Andhra Pradesh. The first one is Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, East Godavari, like this. Vijayanagaram. What is the spelling of Vijayanagaram? Vijayanagaram. Okay. For now, I just want to apply bullets and numbering. So I'm just selecting all these 4 districts names, and I'm just clicking on here, and I'm just using this one. Or else in some cases, parts of speech. In English, parts of speech. A noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, like this. And just simply select all these 5, and you can apply bullets or numbering also. If you want to apply numbering, you can apply numbering. Adverb, total of 8 are there. Parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, preposition, conjunction, conjunction, interjection. 8 parts of speech are there. Like this, we can give these bullets or numbering. In so many cases, if you want to write down the continents. For continents, you can write down. You can use this bullets or numbering. A total of continents. 7 continents are there: Asia, Europe, Australia, North America, South America, Africa, and Antarctica. Okay, the 7 continents are there. Like this, if you want to mention anything like this, you can use this bullets and numbering option. Okay, And let us wind up this session, and at the end let us learn a few shortcut keys. Okay, the shortcut keys for bold. In order to make it bold, the shortcut key is select it and press Ctrl plus B. Ctrl plus B is the shortcut to bold. See, I'm just pressing Ctrl B. Bold, bold, normal, bold, normal, bold, normal. And then let us talk about italics. Italics. Select it and use Ctrl plus I. Use Ctrl plus I. Italics. Applying bold also. Ctrl B. Bold, italics. And then underline. And just remove this italics. Underline, Ctrl U. Ctrl U is the shortcut for underline. And then superscript and subscript. Like H2O. Select the two. Just select two and press Ctrl plus Shift plus equals to. Ctrl plus Shift plus equals to. Oh, sorry, this is a shortcut for superscript. Then what is the shortcut for subscript? Ctrl plus equals to. No need to use Shift. Just Ctrl plus equals to. You can make it subscript. And I want to make a superscript same as usual, a plus b whole square. I'm just selecting this 2 and I'm just pressing this Ctrl plus Shift plus equals to. Ctrl plus Shift plus equals to. Then we can use this superscript option. And for both of them, I'm just remove this underline. Underline. I have just removed this underline. Enter. I'm just disabling this superscript. And then if you want to use this, I forgot to tell you about this clear formatting option. Clear formatting. Let me tell you now. Clear formatting. I have just applied bold, italics, underline. I have changed the font color and I have changed the font style also. So I have applied so much of markup for this word bold. I have made the font size as 72. I have applied red color and I have there is a red color underline also, and I have applied bold, italics also. But if you select this text and if you click on this clear formatting, whatever the formatting options we have applied to that one, whatever the markup we did to this bold option, everything will be gone. Only simply the text will appear there. See, only simple text bold. Everything is gone. I'm just pressing Ctrl Z. But if you highlight this text, I am just highlighting it. I have just highlighted this text. And now if you select this text and if you click on clear formatting, everything will disappear except highlighting. But highlight will stay. It won't go anywhere. Okay. Now, if you want to apply clear formatting for this one, there is a shortcut key. That is Ctrl plus space. Ctrl plus space bar. If you press Ctrl plus space bar, clear formatting applies. Okay. And then let us learn the shortcuts of left align, center align, right align, and justify. Again, I'm using the select all option and I'm deleting it. Again, equals to rand, open left parenthesis, right parenthesis, bracket close. So I have selected this first one and I want to make it as center align. The shortcut for center align is Ctrl plus E. Now can you see the center align text? And for this one, I want to make it right align, right R, Ctrl plus R, right align. And then I want to make both these paragraphs as justified. Justify J, Ctrl plus J, justified. And then I want to select this one and I want to make it center align first. Now I want to make it left aligned. Left L, Control plus L, left align. So these are the shortcuts. See, very simple. Except center alignment. Except center alignment. If you want to make it right align, Control plus R. Justified, Control plus J. First letter. Right R. Justify J. Left L. Except center alignment. Why? Because Control plus C is already assigned to copy. That's why they have given Control plus E, CTRL plus E. Okay, right. This is all about formatting in Word. This is a very simple class. This class is for beginners. Okay, I will give you lab. Okay, I will post this video in your WhatsApp group also whenever you find some free time. You just listen to this class again and again, learn about all the options so that it will help you practice in a better way in the computer lab. Okay, thank you very much, and if you have any doubts, okay, don't hesitate to ask me. Right, thank you very much.